In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan multiple pages with NAPS2. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is open NAPS2 or NAPS2, and you want to connect your scanner. If you don't know how to do this, I have a separate video teaching you exactly step by step on how to do it. So go watch that first, and then once you've done this, you'll see your profile here on the left. So to actually scan multiple pages, it depends on what type of scanner you have. If you have a manual scanner, which of course it can only scan one page at a time, you're gonna do this manually. So you have to go and load in your paper and then click on the scan button. And once your scanning is complete, you can then go back and flip your paper, hit the scan button again, and it's gonna scan the second page as well, okay? That's if you have a manual scanner. But if you have a scanner which can do duplex or multiple pages, two-sided, whatever, go to the settings over here to edit, and in here you can go paper source and switch it to a two-sided or duplex or whatever it says. You also may be able to see like a different thing over here, which is going to show you the option to actually kind of use duplex scanning. Okay, you could also use native UI. So if you click on that and you click on the scan button over here, that's also going to open up kind of the default page of your scanner, and it's going to allow you to see, of course, if there's a duplex option. And if there is, you can just click on the check mark next to it and it's going to scan multiple pages. So that's going to be essentially how to do this. But if you again are using a manual scanner, you can go to advanced and you can go and flip back sides of duplex pages if you want to. That's going to kind of help you with this, but still you're going to have to do it manually. So when you're done, put in the first page, click on the scan button, and then once that's scanned, you can then go back to your scanner and physically like flip the page or put in a new page, whatever you are doing. And there we go. And you can then just go ahead and click on the scan button again once you flipped it, and it's going to go ahead and do it. Okay, just wait a few seconds because as you can see, I did it too fast and it didn't actually complete scanning fully yet. So for me, it's going to be the same page, but for you, if it's a different one, you're going to receive a different page in here, which you can then use for whatever you want to use it, okay? So that's how to scan multiple pages. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.